Hello, creative souls! Welcome to Craftella, where we dive into the world of art and unlock the secrets of mandala creation. Today, I'll guide you through 10 simple steps to craft your own mesmerizing mandala masterpiece. Let's get those creative vibes flowing. Step 1. Finding the center. Begin by finding the center of your canvas. Divide all 4 sides into equal halves. This will be the epicenter of your mandala creation. Step 2. Establishing center points. Connect the marks on each side with straight lines, creating central points that will anchor your design. Step 3. Marking angular points. Place the protector at the center and mark points at every 10 degrees, laying the foundation for your mandala's symmetry. Step 4. Joining dots. Connect these marked points, gently touching the center, outlining the structure of your mandala. Step 5. Creating circles with a compass. Start forming circles around the center, maintaining a distance of 0.5 to 1 centimeter for a harmonious design. Step 6. Expanding grid size. Adapt to the size of your inner grid, using 2 grids for a single shape to add depth and complexity. Step 7. Adding circles. For a polished look, draw 2 circles, defining your mandala into distinct sections. Step 8. Building shapes continuously. Craft shapes of your choice. Add another set of circles at the end of each section for visual balance. Step 9. Infusing details. It's detail time! Begin with intricate designs in the inner section. Creating depth and character. Step 10. Finalizing with bold patterns. Enhance your mandala by adding larger patterns to the bigger shapes. Fill in spaces with a black marker for a striking contrast. Finish it off with bold corners for that extra flair. There you have it, your own mandala masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed this artistic journey with Craftella. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations with us. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing.